this is a Croft product. This is the 6347 and this is the reeded cushion doorknob. The code for this is the D3455. So this shade is the polished nickel. Croft have many different finishes, so please check our website to see which ones are available. This particular cushion doorknob is in the Mortice version. It is also supplied in a rim lock version. You just need to select which one you need for your door. The diameter of the rose is 60 millimeters. The diameter of the knob is 54 millimeters and the protrusion is 70 millimeters. As I said before, this is the Mortice version, which is supplied with the 2 doorknobs, both with the back plates, and also a Mortice spindle. Croft will also provide screws to match the chosen finish so that it will perfectly blend in. For more information on the rimlock version, you'll find this in the product description. So this is the Croft 6347 and it is the reeded cushion doorknob, and our code for this is the D3455, and as I said before, this is in the shade polished nickel.